So what is that, bro?
Pork this year.
Stew pork.
Stew pork, you know. Take time to come down to style, you know. That kind of little tough steak, but I don't know. I cook it to soup. I cook it to soup, brother.
Ain't never that look good still, you know?
Golden brown.
Come on.
Yeah. The man, the pork I come down to side. I know. That's for it all water. Yeah.
I ain't going. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going.
PriceSmart. PriceSmart. All this time I think of PriceSmart, you know. PriceSmart. PriceSmart. No, try it this one. Wow. Eh.
Oh, my feel is just rocking up.
Wow.
What a brown.
Like a dumpless, huh? Oh. Yes, sir.
Watch it. Catch it.
Think only England alone have this. Jamaica have it too. You have to show your card. You just walk in. Oh. PriceSmart.
That's a boat in there na Jamaica na thing there. Foreign down here.
Yes, sir. Price 120. We are in PriceSmart in Red Hills. Look for cake. Ice machine. Ice maker. Nice.
Ice machine?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this
One
cute.
of them you boom to the boy and put in the out.
Yeah, cute.
In a thing there.
32,000.
One of them just say.
I'll try. So I'll chop them selling here. Shorty cute then. Oh. Trying to get cakes. Which side? I want to go there.
So you know, so everything until 5 days.
Yeah.
Everything is gold. No small cup. Garlic spread.
Ooh. Garlic spread. Oh. I'm looking for a birthday cake. So this is PriceSmart. This is like what the UK have called Costco. But in Jamaica we have PriceSmart. But they're very similar. Same thing basically. Look at your cakes. Look at these. May I come? Cakes like dirt. Yeah. Look at these.
Choose it, cash it, and then bring it back to them, decorate it.
Choose it and do what?
Choose it, pay, carry it back, and then put it happy birthday.
Okay, let's choose. So we got some cornbread. And a cheesecake. Cake. Very small. What you tell him there?
Things in the basket upon the sea, man.
Leave him alone.
He say, yes, you my woman big door.
Oh,
There's a small fuck down big tree. Where your receipt and your
huh?
receipt. No, like you wait here, make you put up a key. Give me a
Yeah,
black
now
card.
when we go outside. I like PriceSmart. Membership service. $80, $40. Wow. Ooh. Inana mo oil?
No.
Yeah.
Man in one mall road, they want to keep them alone.
What?
Kamal and mall road, that's the way I ask you. Man. Yeah, I carry heat. Last time I have a rat in the look so better than kind of the
Where go with it?
Half I keep a carry. Yeah? Half I don't go with everybody in over the stop and turn back never. By the time you start climb that rat, the problem is done. That's way. Oh, you know that's the same problem? Yeah. Yeah, I'm still picking up the box. But when did I hear him saying every time, I never think I the same person. Like a perfect pool. Because he came on at school, but in the scheme, you know, with the out on the side of the road, basically.
No more
lock up in a
useful.
circle scheme and we look on the scheme.
No, but
We
we
have
don't
come out
do
of the
it.
scheme.
No, me turn right now, yes, boy.
Fully door carry.
Oh.
I'll be up there.
Yeah, I'll be up there. You want me to carry something?
I think my daughter just start walking.
I'll be there, me I give this and take up on our big bag.
Oh, remember the cake, the pan?
The cake them there on the top.
It,
Oh yeah, go up already, baby.
yeah.
Yes, okay. No,
Yeah, never.
come be here.
Oh my.
She good.
Look at that.
You're good, mama. Why is someone put on? Put a box of contact.
It a goat? This a goat, eh?
Yeah, because it's cash.
Oh.
Sorry, fix the thing, no, man.
Help me the arm thing. Push this good.
Right.
That a sexy, sir. Yeah.
Take out your plate.
My Eve carry cake now. Oh, God. Me only can carry the juice.
Seriously?
Yeah, just put them back in. Yeah.
Hey, baby. Baby. You get the tablet. Nice. Oh, pretty like you.
Never. I walk through a garden. What's that, the pork, right? What? I see. So what is that, bro?
Pork this year.
Stew pork.
Stew pork, you know. Take time to come down to style, you know. That kind of little tough stew, but I don't know. I cook it to
Yeah.
soup. I cook it to soup, brother.
Ain't never that look good still, you know?
Golden brown.
Come on.
Yeah. Man, the pork I come down to say, I know not to look water, I just put it all water.
Yay!
Yeah.
Go over this one now.
This is chicken I go out with that.
Curry chicken.
Brown stew chicken, you know.
Oh, brown stew
Yeah,
chicken.
man. And then tell me what I want, so I just say, Joe. Curry. Everybody like curry. Yeah, man, chicken I come down to size too, you know. I'm going to throw no water in it. I'm going to throw no water in it, because chicken is to cook.
Yeah.
When that come down,
When you cook it with rice and peas or white rice.
White rice, you know. White rice.
Missing?
Yeah, white rice. Three stove, three burn on the one side. It's
Okay.
daily.
Whenever when you bake.
One day in a week, you know, I think I may have picked up potato from a day when I bake, you know. So,
Yeah.
Monday week we do some baking.
Okay. So guys, we have what we call this muffins.
Yeah.
Muffin, yeah.
Big and fluffy.
Big and fluffy and
Very
juicy.
fluffy. Fresh.
And we have patty too, but guess what? We eat off of like patty them.
But it's still there, man. But it's still there.
Patty still there.
But it's still there.
Yeah, boy. Everybody gone. We have a cake over here, so this we get this. You taste this level? Cornbread. Spray.
You see?
Jamaica. You taste it?
Taste it.
Taste it, no?
You know, pull it.
And
Pull
my
it.
cake. No,
Come
but you
on,
can
pull
pull
it.
it. Pull it, man.
This one I think I'm going to come here.
I'm showing you the cheesecake and sitting there. We have, this is the best ice cream. Grape nut ice cream. Huh? Yeah, man. I'm showing you again the best food them in Jamaica. All right, watch you now. Watch you now. Cheesecake. What is New York cheesecake. This one is for $6,438 Jamaican dollars. Oh, this tastes never. This. Sweet. It's sweet, boy. It's so sweet, more water. Yeah. We have rum cream. So we get the big buckle.
Big buckle, oh God, man.
You never see it. And me pick up this because me not drink. Me not drink alcohol, so it's not an alcohol in it.
I'll put it tomorrow. I'll put it tomorrow.
Which one, the rum cream?
No
one.
Purple one, let's say I can alcohol.
And this, yeah. Oops. What is this? Orange. Oops. This. Wait. This is June plum juice. You ever drink that, never? It's nice. June plum juice. Jamaican cheese. Listen, a fridge full up of cheese, you know. Full up of cheese. Yeah. What? You know, people always love to say, yeah, real Jamaican sausage them. What done here? So now, see the bun them here? Listen, I don't like England when you have a Jamaican bun, when you feel them, they're hard and tough. The cool make them tough. But Jamaica, watch ya. Cheese! Watch ya. Soft and nice. Watch ya. Watch it. Cheese. Yes, sir. I remember them, yeah. Love them. No, sitting on there, sir. And this here. Yeah, man. I'm sitting under this sort of. Boy. Yes, sir. This is ginger bulla. Did you pick up ginger bulla? Never may I'll come back with you and you're cooking. Alright.
Chicken and pork you want? Yeah. Chicken and pork you want? I'll take one for your first.
Now I'm bright, I like it. Let me check. Look good, rice looks so good.
Yes. You
sound like Tony. I don't disappoint, no. I went in there.
Okay. You man are them a come.
Then we go somewhere?
Yeah, man, then they go to.
If you pick up Tony?
No, they go buy something for you in a pool.
Oh my. Then better go in the pool after so everybody can go.
Come here, see ya.
Take out some of my chicken.
Take out some of this chicken, eh?
Yeah.
Take out back some. There you are, drop yourself there.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. Okay.
Alright. Dio me agio for you, you know. You can't come sister, what you know.
Presentation. Abby, come. People look pork and stewed chicken. What minute is it, Johnny? Your dinner is ready.
Want more meat?
Yeah.
Want more meat?
You want more meat, Abby?
Oh, you're calling?
Where that go wall?
Huh? Just sorry.
How are you enjoying Jamaica, Abby?
Good.
Yeah, eat up a whole like patty them now. Abby eat off a whole of this box of
But
patty.
really?
Right, I'll be serious, yeah?
Thank you.
Come.
Yeah, Abby.
Oh, oh my gosh. Did we? That's the wrong shirt.
Hold on. I just told. This is mine. Taste it. Yes, may I vlog you? You're good? Yeah, I know. You had a good day today?
Somewhat.
What time was that? Yeah. Around 10 o'clock. It was 10 o'clock. When I call me at 2-1, them tell me we just a turn in a way, we learn it way again. At a noon. Exactly. So me I go still at one early time. Which is what time? Okay, what time you want left because a long journey?
10?
Well, if you left yourself 10 o'clock. What time would I reach down there, sir? 4 hours east.
What we are gonna do?
I never 4 hours would you drive the last
Come back
time.
and come back up?
Oh, we left before then.
Yeah, brother. You have to
9?
at least 8
No,
o'clock.
okay, we latest rally festival by 7 o'clock with everybody up on the road, by 8 o'clock everybody at home.
Hey, sir.
Yeah.
Can you set all up for 5:30?
Thank you. I don't know.
He said?
The last time we left and we go down there, it's like we rush to come back.
Because we did hungry.
We late.
And we have to go carry food down there.
So, you guys want to leave Kingston at 8 o'clock?
Yeah, so
8:39?
we meet up. No, by 8 o'clock we're supposed to be on the road and drive.
So, where you want with me? Do you want me to Marcus Garvey drive? Or you don't know any Marcus Garvey?
Yeah, man, you know Marcus.
She man said on this, so you can meet for Marcus Garvey and then.
Come here.
Right at 3 man.
Yeah,
So
man.
who would have come pick me?
No, me not do all road, you know. Me not drive all road, none dog. I will. So,
Okay.
if now come, if now left Kingston and just come Marcus Garvey that time and catch me
Yeah,
come back home.
who are pick up who? Because me have to pick up never them and thing. And then if anything they have to jump on and thing there.
Who you pick up there?
Never them.
So wait, who may you pick up?
Who will carry?
Who closer?
Never them. Whichever way. I have never. Tony. I just them
Me, I'll go with you tonight?
No, me I can't go.
Me, not go.
Me I can't go. We have to cross river and them something.
Okay.
Cross river, what do you mean by cross?
Cross over. Who I got all her?
So many people did it for all her.
Me not think that children. Really?
Yes, so pretty nice. She good. She have everybody around her.
Right, when I make a trip in I want to get her, me bring her.
I'll bring her.
I'm going to that pool now.
You know, go up there.
So,
Yeah, Kerry,
finalized time is
let me
like
call my woman, pray, send her her bed, build up a split, then me come. Me didn't want to tell you all of that.
So we're supposed to pick up Akeem now.
Yeah. Are you closer to them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, closer to them, so me I go just come straight. Which part you say you meet the 3
August
miles?
Gavin, man. Come on, that 3 man from August Gavin. I can't go off.
Yeah.
August Gavin, so go send them aside. And say, but me, I go come off a Portmore too. So by the time I come off of the tour, we catch Marcus Gavin.
That happy birthday.
You want to do it again?
No, everybody are gonna be wet.
Everybody have a wet and breezy.
Mm.
And thing there.
Come here, Tony. Bring one knife. Woo. I see your birthday?
But me not put.
No. Not yet. Come on, round. Come on, Neville. Neville, please.
You do want to sing and
Yes, sing.
Okay. Come on. After 1, 2, 3. Ready, everybody? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear auntie. Me don't know the song for you. Happy birthday to you.
That sound like a picnic birthday. You only eat too much of
You didn't want to put candle in it.
Might as well. Gara sing like a me a birthday.
Anybody want
That's
cake?
in it, uncle.
Anybody want cake? No? You want cake, Mike? Talk faster.
I know you need for this cut half a cake and send good on.
Half a cake,
Send
what?
that,
A
send
fear?
half of that good on, so.
One of yours.
Where paper towel? Yeah, right. Weird. Teddy and Don, I tell me say, come, hey, come bring him up so you know, cause then you can go give him sweets.
Ooh, ooh.
You just can't wait. Little, give me. You don't know nothing about this. Yes, mama. You want cake?
One cake.
You can eat all of this? She not gonna eat it?
Let me cut it.
I want to cut mine. You don't sing happy birthday to you. Why you so much? Go on, man, because I don't want your begs.
Me no begs.
I don't want that.
Anybody want cake?
No,
It's
put me
mine.
on. My wife in this.
Hey, give this a napkin.
Kerry, you see, that may I tell you, you're doing it wrong. You're doing it wrong and making mess. And I saw you think that if you don't know nothing about pastry, you need to leave it pastry thing alone. I feel this?
So me if you change my birthday cake?
Yeah, mess.
Don't cut this one again, man. I'll point it on. Go so.
You're right, I tell me about this up.
Alright. Alright, that's all. I mean, y'all look me like something needs to like farm sick. I'm a big king finger. You don't want to know about this story.
No.
Just put it bit.
Yeah, go fix it. Shake it.
Let's see, why.
Maggie Crystal and Mummy them here. And Maggie. I don't know.
Let me on here. If you want piece more, you can get piece more.
Be ice in that game. It's okay, it's okay.
Wait now, me take off the ice now. Can you complain? See there.
This is a cow. You want to go side cheese to the whole line pool.
Gala cut you know. Come on, ready?
We are going up to the pool. Look at that house up there. Look at that house up there. Way up on the hill. Boy. This is a hill. Wow. So now we're walking. Woo! What a hill. Huh? I'm tired. Huh? Oh, we're here. Wow. I'm tired. Look at our pool, guys. Oh. I'm out of breath. Look at the view. Wow. Whew. Guys. Oh God, I'm tired. Look at the view. So beautiful. Look at that. Jamaica is beautiful. Look at our view. So beautiful. Yeah. In the night, it's gonna be more beautiful. So, yeah. going at this.
Swim comfy, do you comfy?
No. Over there, son of the turn up them, missing. Turn up.
See that?
That I go cover my head.
Cover you.
Hey.
Come to
But
me.
cannot swim.
Me and your Jack. Me will save you.
No, no, no. You're not Jack. Jack? Jack did drown.
Jack never drown, Jack save.
Jack saved a woman and dead.
Exactly, so you're gonna be safe.
No, me will stay right here. Oh yeah, Jack. Jack. Jack.
Blood.
Not doing that.
See line there.
You have a line.
Yes, see, once you put one foot over the line, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, see,
sure.
that a lot.
I will stay over here.
See there, the line here. See there. Once you stick, see? So once you come over the line, you see, gone down. See? Gone down. Yeah, but down.
I can't swim for you and go over the sun, but I panic in the middle.
Don't panic.
No. Once my foot can't feel.
Then you put it underneath the water and just swim and go to the water hole.
Can't do that, nigga.
See?
Yeah, 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 yeah. See, for a second. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, you want to lift me up? Lift me up. Lift me up now. No, 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 put on my head. Yeah, you're good, yeah. Oi! Then what make you do? Try lift me up then. Come on to do, we call out thing there? A dirty dancing.
You can't.
Okay, lift me up then.
Oh, me feel lift you up.
Try.
Me can't lift you up.
You're surprised you don't come. You got this. No! Ooh.
No, you have to go. So
Okay.
your bones.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, up.
Yeah, you look up your wife. That good though.
Yeah. Oh, where you go?
I really know. Have a good look. One more time. Make a jump with it.
So, no, wait.
Come on close. Come on closer. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You nearly broke my ass foot. Downtown.
We outside downtown.
It's lighting up. We're like in a night. It's pretty.
So like when we drive up last night and you look over, you see the whole place just pretty.
Well guys, it was a nice dip in the pool. Tomorrow we are going with it. Where are we going tomorrow?
I'll go back YS Falls.
YS Falls and Borders. So stay tuned for that video after this one. Alright? Thank you guys for watching. Bye.